All very nicely laid out. Hello. The ever-present tagine. I see no fish. Very helpfully in Arabic. You come to enjoy the space in an environment made to loose. With no one there. Squeezed orange. Lots and lots of cascades along this river. Looks very same different rapids, small rapids. Very pretty. I've come from way back there, down the canyon. Piscine de Petite Cascade. Over to you. Ducks, or probably not ducks. Wow, can you believe it? In this area they still have a mosque. So finally, at this small waterfall, the first one. So I'm going to have some orange juice before I head back down. Nice fresh orange juice. Beautiful mountains. Beautiful sunlight on those mountains now. About 4 o'clock. Lovely colours. 4:30 in the evening. Interesting looking. That's a bicycle tyre. An interesting vehicle. You sit down on it, but it's also a carriage. Wow.